Gray on his muzzle, cold on the stone. He noses the lamppost like reading a note. Rain in his whiskers, cuddles for a throne. Name tag hanging sideways, shining dull gold. Old dog in bright store rain, walking like he knows the way, sniffing every doorway like it's yesterday. Old dog, he knows that name, turns at every passing face, looking for the footsteps he can't replace. Sharp front reflections show him a lone tail, gives a hopeful twitch, then it slows. Bus stop benches smell of his coat, where you used to sit with him, sharing your toast. Old dog in bright store rain, walking like he knows the way, sniffing every doorway like it's yesterday. Old dog, he knows that name, turns at every passing face, looking for the footsteps he can't replace. He circles the corner where you used to laugh. Beds of crushed clover beside the path. He lies where your shadow once covered his back. Eyes in a distance, waiting you back. Old dog embraced the rain, walking like he knows the way, sniffing every doorway like it's yesterday. Old dog, he knows that name, turns at every passing face, looking for the footsteps he can't replace.